On the track, plotting graphs, I'm so glad you all came. Gonna join a couple points on the coordinate plane. That's a grid broken into 4 quadrants. 1, 2, 3, 4, X and Y axis. You gotta know which quadrant is where. First is upper right, then you go from there. In a pattern going round that kinda makes a C. Quadrant 4 is in the spot you could consider southeast. The quadrants are divided by some lines. X and Y axis is how they're defined. X is horizontal, right positive, left is negative. Then the Y is up and down like a wire kid. Plotting points, order pairs, first the X coordinate, then the Y. Here's an example to help explain it. Let's say you're given 3, -7. Start from 0, 0, it's called the origin. Move to the right, just 3 spots. Next 7 down, it's a point you plot. Hey, I'm plotting my points. Yeah, I'm plotting my points. On the coordinate plane, my points. Check it, I'm plotting my points. Real life applications, life situations. When you draw that line, you're gonna need an equation. First, a starting point, yeah, the y-intercept, where the line's gonna hit that y-axis. The letter B is gonna represent, but from there we gotta know the line's direction. Do we use a compass or with degrees? Another note, we got the letter M representing the slope. Slope is rise over run. Check it out, yeah, slopes rise over run. Now that might not sound like much fun, but it's the missing tool to get the job done. If it's positive, it's to the right and up now. Negatives to the right and down. So let me give you the equation that you're gonna need. It's y equals mx plus b. It's got a name called the slope-intercept form. You really gotta know it. I'll repeat it times 4. Y equals mx plus b. Y equals mx plus b. Yeah, y equals mx plus b. Y equals mx plus b. Cause I'm plotting my points. Yeah, I'm plotting my points. On the coordinate plane, my points. Check it, I'm plotting my points. Let's say you have a problem with a line that you got to graph. It's y equals 3/4 x plus 6. First start at 6 on the y-axis, then the slope was told to be 3/4. Just go up 3 and to the right 4. Now you got 2 points and it's looking fine. Connect the dots and draw the line. But before we get back to the refrain, I got a couple things you should retain. Like a horizontal line, it doesn't have a rise, so the slope's just 0. Are you surprised? Now a little more tricky is a vertical line. Would you possibly believe the slope is undefined? How can that be? Let's figure it out. The line's going up a certain amount. The run is 0, by that you divide. Do the math and get the value, it's undefined. Cause I'm plotting my points. Yeah, I'm plotting my points on the coordinate plane, my points. Check it.